Hello friends, how often should you change the brake fluid in your car? The frequency of change the brake fluid depends on the following factors: type of brake systems, operating condition of the vehicle, class of brake fluid, compositions, the basis of which the brake fluid is produced. For most cars, the several interval of replacing brake fluid is 40,000 kilometers. If the temperature in the system does not constantly rise above 150 degrees. For sport and the premium cars, it's recommended to completely change the brake fluid every 20,000 kilometers. It's undesirable to simply add brake fluid from time to time. Even if most of the fluid is renewed, its properties will differ from this or of completely replace one. The same applies to mixed compositions of various brake and classes. Sometimes the color of the fluid may indicate the need for replacement. Optimally, if the glycol liquid is light yellow or light brown, the composition based on silicone is dark red. It's worth completely replace the brake fluid or contact the service masters if the color has changed significantly, the fluid has become cloud, or a precipitate has appeared in it. Delay readiness to break. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.